What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So, today I have another fantastic cooking video. You remember that back in February 2017, about 5 years ago, when I made mac and cheese from scratch? Well, today I am going to show you an alternative to something you could do with the mac and cheese, and show you how to make mac and cheese bites. So, let's go over what we need. So to make mac and cheese bites, you're going to need some cooking spray as well as some veggie oil. You'll also need liquid eggs, panko, and some pre-made mac and cheese. Now, if you want to know how to make mac and cheese from scratch, please refer back to the aforementioned cooking video on how to make actual mac and cheese from scratch if you're interested. So let's go over what we have to do. So first things first, you're going to prep your mac and cheese like you would to package, based on depending on what you've got. Like if you're going to follow package directions on a box, or say you want to make, or you want to use leftover, or make some from scratch. Making it from scratch does take a little longer, but for this go around, I'm going to be using a box of it. Alright, so I got my mac and cheese prepped. Now, because I just cooked this, I gotta let this cool before I can... I have to let this cool before I can do this next part. Or here's an alternative. You're gonna take 2 tablespoons of the mac and cheese, of the fully cooked mac and cheese, and you're gonna pile them up together onto a plate. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your mac and cheese and you're gonna chill it until firm, like 4 hours in the fridge, or about half the time, like 1 to 2 hours in the freezer. But be careful, you don't want to freeze the mac and cheese, only firm it up. Alright, so I put them in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Especially the cheese itself is a little firm. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a couple of plates. I'm going to make some egg wash with a couple of eggs, and I'll need a cup of breadcrumbs in 2 separate bowls. Alright, so I made a little egg wash in one bowl, and and got a cup of breadcrumbs in another bowl. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll the mac and cheese into a little ball, douse it in the egg wash, and then douse it in breadcrumbs. And then I'm going to put them in this air fryer. Oh, and make sure you spray the air fryer down because it's going to stick. So I got the mac and cheese bites in here. Not really the best looking, but they'll have to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to. So I'm gonna put this in the air fryer, set it to about 390 or so, and then you're gonna air fry these for about 10 minutes. Or alternatively, you could just pour some. Or you could deep fry them if you have a deep fryer, but I'm going to air fry these. Alright, 10 minutes have passed, and let's pull these out. Not the most ideal job, mostly because of the delicacy, but might as well pull these out and prepare for another batch. And while the other batch is cooking, we'll take it to the table and sample it. Alright, so these are how the mac and cheese bites. Well, it's not really the best job I've done, but anyway, it should be how it looks like, so I'm going to sample one now. Tastes kind of good though, even though it's not really the best looking mac and cheese bite, but still pretty good though. Anyway, this is my attempt at making mac and cheese bites. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time.